Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter of a computer that is fun with OpenOffice for Writer. Okay? So Writer is a basically a application of a OpenOffice package, and we are using a Writer application for making a document on a computer. So in this chapter we have to learn how we can make a document using Writer, what kind of elements we can use in our documents like text, images, tables, paragraphs. Okay, so what is an OpenOffice Writer? Writer is the word processor component of a OpenOffice package. It's developed by OpenOffice organization, and Writer is the word processor component of OpenOffice package. It's used to create document on a computer. Features of OpenOffice Writer are templates and styles. You can design your document by using templates and styles. Page layout methods, which includes frame, columns and tables. You can divide your page in different layouts using frame, columns and tables. Use of built-in drawing tools. You can use drawing tools present inside the OpenOffice Writer. Master documents, to group a collection of documents into a single document. You can create master documents by grouping different type of single document. Next is graphics in Writer. How you can use graphics in OpenOffice Writer. First, we have to understand what is the meaning of graphics. Graphics are added to textual documents to provide description and visual impact to the content or text. Graphics means images, pictures, icons or design or shapes which we can add in our textual document to provide easy description and visual impact to the content or text. By using graphics, you can easily describe your text, what you want to describe your viewers. You can describe the things easily to your viewers, okay, by using the graphics. Graphics in Writer are of three types: image files, which includes photos, drawings and scanned images. Second, diagrams created using OpenOffice drawing tools. Charts created using OpenOffice chart facility. So three types of graphics you can insert in your Writer document. First is image file. Image file may be a photo, drawing, scanned image. Second is diagrams. You can create your own diagrams using drawing tools. Third is chart. You can create different kind of charts in OpenOffice Writer using chart facility. Okay, like you can able to see in this page, you are able to see two different images, that is a car and a polar bear. Okay, so these are the example of graphics in your document. Now we have to learn how we can insert a picture from a gallery. Okay, so for inserting a picture from a gallery in OpenOffice Writer, step 1, click gallery from the tool options. You can able to see the image here. In this image, the tools menu is there. Okay, so you have to click on the tools option from the menu bar. Then you have to click on the gallery. The task pane appears on the top of the screen. Okay, so when you click on the gallery, a task pane appears on the top of the screen that you can able to see in my next window. So when you click on the gallery option, these kind of task pane will appear. Okay, these kind of task pane will appear at the top of the window. Okay, drag the picture which you want to insert in the document or right click on the picture. Select the picture from the task pane and drag and drop in your document, or you can right click on the picture and insert that picture in your document. Okay, we will see the practical of this also after this video. Okay, now next is how you can insert pictures from shapes. You can use the shape toolbar or drawing toolbar to insert different kind of shapes or drawings or pictures from the drawing toolbar. So for that you have to click on show draw function option. This is the show draw function option present in the toolbar. You have to click on that. After clicking on this function, this kind of toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. Drawing toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. Okay, next is after appearing the drawing toolbar, what you have to do, step 2, you have to click on the required shape and draw the shape by dragging the cursor on the screen. Okay, so if you want to draw any kind of shape, you have to first select that shape from the drawing toolbar, then you have to go to your document page and then click and drag. So by dragging you can able to draw the shape on your screen. Okay, like this you can able to draw the shape on your screen. Okay, now in this slide, creating drawing objects. How many kind of objects you will get in your drawing toolbar? Okay, so first one is select tool, second one is line tool, third one is rectangle tool, fourth one is ellipse tool, fifth one is freeform line tool, sixth one is text tool. By using this text tool you can type any kind of text. Seventh is callouts. Okay, eighth is basic shapes, different kind of shapes available inside this. Ninth is symbol shapes, different kind of symbols shape you can get inside this symbol shape tool. 10th one is block arrows, you will get different kind of arrows inside this. 11th one is flowchart. 12th one is again callouts, different kind of callouts. And last is stars. Okay, different kind of stars you can find out here. This kind of thing you can made by using these drawing shapes. Okay, now next is steps to insert pictures from drawing toolbar. Okay, so from drawing toolbar you can also able to insert pictures. Step 1, click on the show draw function appears at the bottom of the screen. Okay, when you click on the show draw function, the toolbar will appears at the bottom of the screen like this. Step 2, click from file option, insert picture dialog box appears. You have to click this option. This is a from file option. After clicking on this option, a dialog box will appear. Step 3, locate the picture available in the computer. From that dialog box you locate the picture that you want to insert in your document. Step 4, click the open button. After selecting the picture you have to click on the open button. After clicking on the open button, the picture will insert in your document. Okay, next is font work gallery. In OpenOffice Writer you will get another option of designing or decorated text, that is font work gallery. Font work helps to insert decorated text in different colors and shape in your document. This kind of decorated text you can insert in your document by using font work gallery. Steps to insert font work. Step 1, click on show draw function option. Okay, again you have to click on the show draw function option. The toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. The drawing toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on the show draw function, the drawing toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. After that you have to click on this icon. This is the font work gallery option. Okay, after clicking on this option you will get a window in which you have to select the type of decorated text that you want to insert in your document. Okay, after selecting that type, just click on the OK button and it will insert in your document. Okay, see, next step is select the style of your choice. This kind of dialog box will open when you click on the font work gallery option. Now you have to select that you want. Okay, from this dialog box. Now step 4, to edit the text. When you insert your desired choice, now you want to write what you want by using this decorated text. So for that you have to edit the text. Double click on the inserted text. How you can edit the text? You have to double click on the inserted text. After editing the text, click anywhere on the document. When you double click, it will come into edited mode. Now whatever you want to write, you can write. And after completing the editing, you have to click anywhere on the document. Okay, so when you click anywhere on the document, it will apply your text in that decorated text. It will apply your text in the selected decorated text. Okay, next is special characters. You can also insert special characters in your document. A special character is one not found on a standard English. Okay, so a special character is not a type of normal standard English characters. which will available on the standard English keyboard. For example, these kind of special characters you cannot be able to find out in your keyboard. Okay, so for that you have to use the special character features of a OpenOffice document. Okay, so to insert a special characters, first you have to click on the insert menu from the toolbar. Okay, menu toolbar, you have to click on the insert menu, then you have to click on the special character option. Okay, after that you have to select the character from the list and click on OK button. Okay, this kind of screen will open when you select the special character option. From this screen you have to select your special character that you want to insert in your document and then click OK button. Okay, after clicking on the OK button, that special character will insert in your document. Okay, so here is the end of the slide. We will further discuss this chapter from your computer book in the next video. So I am ending this video here. Thank you.